Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how to connect a domain to Shopify in 2026. If you want your store to look professional with your own web name, this is the exact process. Yeah, so let's go step by step. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you're ready to set up your domain. Now from the left menu, click on Settings. This is where all your store settings are located. Next, click on Domains. Here you will see options to connect or buy a new domain. If you already bought a domain from another provider, click Connect Existing Domain, then enter your domain name carefully and click Next. Now Shopify will give you instructions to update your DNS settings. You need to go to your domain provider account and change the records as shown, usually the A record and C name record. After updating the DNS settings, go back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. It may take a few minutes to a few hours to fully connect. If you want, you can also buy a domain directly from Shopify by clicking Buy New Domain and following the checkout process. Once everything is connected, set your domain as primary so your store uses it as the main website address. And that's it. Your domain is now successfully connected to your Shopify store and ready to use. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Shopify guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.